that.
That's awesome.
Where did you guys ever find that? Don't get
I'm
hurried.
videotaping.
Okay, come this way. Okay, now come
Okay,
on
go
this way.
forward. Oh,
Good job. You're driving a tractor.
he's walked it.
Oh, that's the perfect size. You want to grab that piece of twister?
Cute.
Caleb, can you give Grandma and Grandpa a hug and say thank you?
He's gonna drive over there.
Now drive it over.
Drive to Grandpa.
Drive it over. Yes.
Go drive to Grandpa.
Come on over here. Come here.
Wheelies.
Come on over.
It's a good tractor. Does wheelies.
That's the perfect size.
I want to have him get off and then get back on. Come here, Caleb. Come on this way. Come on. Let's go back. Where are you going? Drive it this way.
Can you sit
Come on
down?
over here.
Can you sit? Sit down.
Oh, he's going to get
You can
off.
sit on it.
Tim,
Can we
just
get off?
keep it
Good.
high so he doesn't hit his head.
Lift him off on Reba and then let him get back on.
Go drive to Grandma and Grandpa. Go drive.
Come on over.
There you go.
Okay, good.
Good job.
Good. Good job.
Yay.
Caleb. Oh, that's nice. Here.
Caleb, can
Okay,
you
now
say
get back
thank
on.
you? Caleb, you say thank you?
Now go get on the tractor. Go get on the tractor. See if he can do it by himself.
He did before.
Good. Almost.
You
Okay.
get it. You'll get it.
This is difficult.
Farming and stuff, Caleb.
Get your hands on those wheels.
Follow the tractor. Just
Where
get
did you
back on.
find that? Well,
There you go.
Farm and
online.
fleet.
I was gonna say flea farm.
Got it. Farm and
See,
Fleet.
can he get it?
You got it. You can get on
Get
it.
on there.
I'm stuck. Let him figure it out.
Get that leg up. Hitch it up. There you go. Good stretch.
He's got to get closer with the other leg.
Whoa!
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
There.
Yay! Man, this tractor has good handling.
And the best part is, Caleb, he gets to go home with you. Yes. No, not now.
Oh,
Oh, there we go. Hey!
Gonna put it on one more time.
Look at Grandpa.
Caleb, look.
Yes.
That is awesome.
Caleb,
Look at Mike.
Caleb.
Let me see.
Yeah, not now. Not now. No.